Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bitcoin Lightning on Cash App. The Lightning Network is a powerful upgrade to Bitcoin, designed to make transactions much faster and significantly cheaper. It's a Layer 2 solution, meaning it operates on top of the main Bitcoin blockchain. Cash App has integrated this technology, allowing its users to experience the benefits of rapid Bitcoin transfers. We will go through the simple steps to both send and receive Bitcoin using this innovative feature, making your digital currency experience more efficient and user-friendly. Sending Bitcoin via the Lightning Network on Cash App is straightforward. First, navigate to the Bitcoin tab within the app and tap the paper airplane icon. You will then select Send Bitcoin and choose the Lightning Network option. The recipient will provide you with a Lightning invoice, which is either a long string of characters or a convenient QR code. Simply paste the invoice or scan the code, review the transaction details, and confirm your payment. Your Bitcoin will be sent almost instantly, often in just a few seconds. Receiving Bitcoin through the Lightning Network is just as simple. From the Bitcoin tab, tap the paper airplane icon and then select Receive Bitcoin. You will then choose the Lightning Network option. Cash App will prompt you to enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you wish to receive. Once you input the amount, the app will generate a unique Lightning invoice, presented as both a string of characters and a QR code. Share this invoice with the person sending you Bitcoin, and they can complete the payment quickly and efficiently. The primary advantages of using Bitcoin Lightning are its incredible speed and minimal transaction costs. Payments often settle in less than 1 second, and the fees are usually just a few cents, making it ideal for smaller transactions. Always ensure you carefully verify the Lightning invoice details, whether you are sending or receiving, to prevent any errors. This technology truly transforms Bitcoin into a more practical currency for daily use, offering a seamless and efficient way to move value across the globe with unprecedented speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.